Hello traders, welcome back to learning series, and in this series we're going to talk about how the markets move, and we're going to understand the behavior of the markets. Okay, so this is as I told in my previous video of the series, this behavior applies for all the indices and stocks. We are just doing a homework on Bank Nifty. Okay guys, so the today's topic is time frame. And as you guys know, time frame is an important factor for the traders to trade. And as being a trader, guys, we trade on probability, and we don't need volatility. We need less volatility. We want trend confirmation. So these are the factors that are very important for a trader to trade and to be profitable, right? So time frame is an important factor. So there are different types of time frames, like lower time frames, like mid-range time frames, and bigger time frames. Okay, so lower time frames consist of 1 to 3 minutes time frames, and even 5 minutes time frame. And for like mid-level time frames, we have 15, 1 hour, 2 hour, and 4 hours. And bigger time frames, we have daily, weekly, and monthly. Okay, so there are some limitations in all the time frames. Okay, I'll explain you one by one. If we talk about the lower time frame, guys, like 1 to 3 minutes time frame, it's very volatile. The market can be very, very volatile. For example, a single 1 minute candle, let's go for 1 minute first, so you guys can see here. First of all, look, a 1 minute time frame in a single 1 minute candle can be bullish, and in the next 1 minute it can become completely bearish. Okay, so it is very too volatile to trade, and it is same for 2 and 3 minutes time frame. So we want less volatility for trading. Okay, so if you talk about the bigger time frames like daily, weekly, and monthly, we cannot do a intraday trading on them, right? So we can avoid these time frames for intraday. And remaining, we have 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hour, and 4 hour time frames. So as you guys know, the trading starts from 9:15 to 3:30, right? So in this time, we have there is about 375 minutes. Okay, so if we open the calculator, so there are 375 minutes, and if we divide this 375 minutes by 15 minutes, we'll get 25 candles, which is a total data. So as a trader, we need a complete data to trade, or a complete data to trust upon. Okay, so in 15 minutes time frame, we get complete data consisting of 25 candles. Okay, and it is also same for 5 minutes time frame, because in 5 minutes time frame we get complete data of 75 candles. Okay, so what I recommend you guys is, you guys can like check a trend in 15 minutes and can enter in 5 minutes time frame. Okay, so and if we talk for the little higher time frames like 1 hour, 2 hour, and 4 hours, which is very good for swing traders, there's a little problem over there which a beginner trader would not observe for a year or 2 years of his trading journey. Okay, so if you go for 1 hour time frame, so you guys can see here there's an incomplete data. Let me explain you by calculator. Okay, so if you divide the 375 minutes with 60 minutes, which is an hour, we get 6.25 candles. This 0.25 candle is an incomplete candle, or we can also say as incomplete data. We do not want incomplete data. Okay, so it is also same for 2 hours and 4 hours. I'll show you a 2 hour example. So if you divide 375 minutes with 2 hour, which is 120 minutes, we get 3.125 candle. That 0.125 candle is incomplete data. We don't need that. Okay, so what is the alternate for it? So what you guys can do is, for example, in Shakehan Trader, let me open the chart here. I'm in a Bajaj Finance chart. So let me drag the charts first. So we are in daily candle, right? And we are talking about 1 hour, 2 hour, and 4 hour time frames. So they are incomplete data which we cannot trade upon. So what you guys can do is, you guys can trade on 75 and 125 time frames. Okay, so let me show you that if you go for 125 minutes time frame, you guys will get 3 candles, which is an complete data. Let me prove this by using calculator. As I said, there are 375 minutes, and if you divide 375 minutes with 125 minutes, we get 3, which is complete data. Okay, we can trust upon these candles, we can trust upon this trend, we can trust upon this what we can say, like a level testing like that and everything. We can trust upon this data. Okay, so it also holds good for 75-minute time frame. Okay, so if you go for 75 minutes time frame, so you guys can see here we get around 5 candles. Okay, let's see it in calculator. If we divide 375 minutes with 75 minutes, we get around 5 candles, which is a complete data. Okay, so this is what I was trying to explain you guys. A time frame consisting of complete data is an important factor to be a profitable trader. Okay, so if you guys don't have a Sharecon account, I'll leave the link in the description below. You guys can go and open a free Sharecon trading account for 1 year. You don't have to pay anything. Okay, I think you guys have understood everything what I've explained today. And if you guys learned something different today, please like and share, subscribe the channel, and let's meet in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.